Hare Krishna. Welcome all of you to our channel Droplets of Nectar. Today we'll be discussing on the topic misdirected love. Hare Krishna. So before starting, I would like to say please like, share, subscribe our channel. We see in this world that every service which person does has some attractive feature that drives the servitor progressively on and on. Like if one is a painter, then he likes to do painting, he likes to be in that colorful world, he likes to be with those colors, he wants to send some message, he wants to deliver some message through that painting, through those colors. Like if someone is an artist, he wants to do that particular thing. There is a particular progressive spirit that keeps him going on. Everyone of us within this world is perpetually engaged in some sort of service, and the impetus for such service is the pleasure we derive from it. Actually, everyone in this world is working just for the pleasure only. Whichever kind of work one is doing, it is just for the pleasure. Some kind of pleasure every person derive from his work, then only he is working. Like one is working very hard to keep on his family, for his wife and children, driven by their affection. A family man works day and night. He goes to the office in the whole day, and sometimes he does double shift also. In night also he works. Why? Only for the pleasure, only for the affection for his wife and children. A philanthropist works in the same way for the love of greater family. He wants to serve the whole society. He wants to be society to be greatly affected by these things. He gets affected by the problems of the society and wants to serve them, wants to solve them, wants to heal them. And hence in this way he works all day and night. A nationalist works for the cause of his country and his countrymen. He gets affected by the problems of his countrymen and wants to solve them. And he goes to many extent. There are many such nationalists, many philanthropists who are very much aggravated and very much known in this world for their work, for their feature, and for their service they have rendered. So bhakti means devotional service. Actually, all this service, all this for the work which we do, if Krishna is not involved in this, if the bhakti ras is not involved, bhakti ras is not involved in such kind of thing, then these all works will be just a kind of a mundane taste. It will not be providing any kind of relishment. People will not become ultimate happy by performing this kind of work. So to get ultimate happiness, to get the real love which we are searching for, to get the misdirected love which we are roaming for, searching for, we should finally work only for the supreme lovable object, that is Krishna. And by working for Krishna, by serving Krishna, by progressively increasing our service towards Krishna, we will feel the eternal love for him, and we will feel the eternal joy which we are searching for, which we will feel that particular affection, we will feel that pleasure, ultimate pleasure which we are searching for. Hence our love will be finally rested on the Krishna.